Hello to my lovely inaanak. Happy birthday. It's unfortunate that you have to limit your guests due to this pandemic, but don't you worry. Still, we are happy to be part of the celebration. I hope you get to enjoy your birthday. Be smart always and grateful as well. May all your wishes and dreams come true, and always find courage to pursue them. We are so proud of you. I miss you and hope to see you soon. And I have something for you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Sherwell!
birthday!
Congratulations! Congratulations sa mga achievements mo so far and continue to make your parents proud.
Continue to become a blessing also to others, not only to your family. And always focus on your dreams and always be passionate on what you are doing. We love you too. We love you. We always here. Kahit di man tayo.
Uh, One message away. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hi Sherwell, happy 18th birthday. May this day be filled with happiness and memories for you to treasure. Again, stay healthy and pretty. Happy birthday again.
Hello, Cher! Happy birthday, my beautiful inaanak. Yes, I'm your Ninang Joy. OMG, ang laki mo na, dalaga ka na. Huli kitang nakita, binyag mo pa. Anyway, gusto ko magpasalamat sa mommy mo at sa daddy mo kasi kinuha nila akong ninang mo. By the way, kami ng mommy mo, high school pa lang, magkaibigan na. Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo, which I'm sure matutupad mo. Kasi sa nakita kong achievements mo, ang galing mo. Ang ganda na, magaling pa. And sana palagi kang happy. Mag-iingat ka palagi, especially sa panahon ngayon. God bless you always. Don't forget to pray. And nandito lang si Ninang. And I just hope to see you soon after pandemic. Enjoy your birthday. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi Sherwell, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Now that you're a fine lady, never forget the love and the sacrifices of your parents. In everything you do, always make them proud. Happy birthday.
Hi, Sher! I'm your Ninang Melody. Friend ko si mami mo since high school. Actually, one of my best friend. Yun nga lang, syempre nagkalayo-layo na kami kaya medyo bihira tayo magkita. Akala ko makikita kita ngayong birthday mo, but unfortunately, for health reason, hindi ako makakapunta muna dyan.
mga pangarap mo. Again, Sherwell, happy 18th birthday from Ninong Ray and from my wife, Tony, and my kids, saying
this video. And sana lahat ng problema na nakikip mo lang sa sarili mo, nalalaman mo lang kung ikaw lang ang isa, sana malagpasan mo na lahat yan. Alam ko kaya mo malagpasan mo lahat naman kasi alam ko strong ka. Good luck sa college life mo and everything. Alam ko kaya ma-achieve lahat ng mo kasi sobrang hardworking and responsible person. Yun lang. Sana ma-enjoy mo itong araw na ito. I love you and I miss you. Hope to see you soon and bye soon. 18th birthday ulit.
Hi, Ate Charvel. Happy